We are going to unpack the furnace. Again, model number is slightly different. This is the A2L furnace. So once we get it out of the box, we are going to cover a few of the changes that are visible. And let's get started. Couple key differences here. We have a venting slot right now in the top cover and also on the bottom cover. This is to allow the venting of refrigerant in case we have a leak. And once we remove the covers, you're going to notice the different design for the coil covers for the evaporator coil. So we have this new box right here that allows us to keep all of our connections contained. Right here we have the port where the new wire from the sensor is going to come out and run up to the control board.